How to recover deleted photos on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover the deleted snaps on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Here, make sure that you are logged into your specific Snapchat account. Then tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left, and again tap on Settings on your top right. Scroll at the bottom of the page and you will see My Data just above a Logout option. Tap on My Data. Now here you can actually download all your data till date. Here, check the box that says Memories and Other Media. You can check whatever boxes that you would require. Then tap on to Next. Now here, confirm your email address and tap on Submit. Now as you do so, it says that Snapchat is creating a copy of files and it will take a long time, so possibly hours or days. Once the export file is ready, you will receive an email, and that is how you will be able to restore your snaps. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.